Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to fix Microsoft Authenticator not working on iPhone problem. Now, the first thing that you should do is to go to your settings and make sure that you are using your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. And if you are using your Wi-Fi, try to use your cellular data and try to open the application. If it is not working, you can use the Wi-Fi and vice versa. Another thing that you can do is to simply turn off the VPN. So after turning off the VPN, it will work with you. Another thing to do in order to fix this issue is to simply go and turn off the low battery mode. So go to your battery by clicking on this option right here. And after that, go and toggle this option off, low power mode, toggle it off. And after that, you'll have to go back to settings and now go to passwords, then click on password options. Then make sure that Authenticator toggle is turned on. So turn this on. And down below right here, you'll find this option, set up codes. You should allow your iPhone to set up codes in Authenticator. Now, if Microsoft Authenticator is still not sending you any codes and not working properly, you should go back to the settings, then go to app settings and click on the Authenticator on your iPhone. Then now you will have to give it the permission for the Face ID, cellular data, and background app refresh. So toggle on all these options, and after that, go and click on notifications. Then make sure that you are allowing it to send notifications to you by clicking on this option right here. And choose from these two options, choose immediate delivery, just in order to give you the message immediately in the right time. If it's still not sending codes, you should go back to settings, then go to privacy and security, then go to location services, tap on it, and now you'll have to toggle this option on, location services. And this is a very necessary step. And in case you're still facing the problem, go back to settings, click on the general option, then scroll down till you find date and time, click on it. Then after that, you will have to set this time automatically. Just toggle this option on and you are all done. And if you're still facing the same issue and it is not sending you codes, in this case, the last thing that you can do is to contact Microsoft Authenticator support. And this also might help you. And if you have any question, guys, just leave me down below in the comments. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.